Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mike Lowe, the CEO and co-founder of Sunswap. We're on a mission to decarbonise the cold chain with zero-emission transport refrigeration. Transport refrigeration units, or TRUs, as they're more commonly known, are mounted to the front of trailers, and they keep the produce inside cold. They're typically powered by a noisy and loosely regulated diesel engine. The companies that use them are supermarkets and logistics companies. These companies have a number of problems with their existing diesel TRUs. Principally, they're expensive to operate and will become even more expensive to operate in 2022 when the red diesel tax subsidy is removed. Therefore, the red diesel price will go up by 70%. Additionally, the growing consumer desire for sustainability is pushing supermarkets to become cleaner. They do not have a viable zero-emission TRU available to them. This is the solution, the smart TRU. At the core of our product is our patent-pending adaptive battery capacity. It offers an adaptable approach to onboard energy storage to meet a wide range of customer requirements with only one product. The protected technology enables us to decouple the cost of the battery from that of the TRU, providing the only cost-competitive zero-emission TRU available on the market. Solar panels are used to provide additional onboard energy, and the refrigeration system uses state-of-the-art cooling hardware that will be the first in the market to utilize low-impact refrigerant. Lastly, the product has been developed in a standard TRU package so that it can be integrated with existing trailers and retrofitted in the field. The TRU market is established, huge, and growing steadily. Battery electric TRU sales are expected to follow the electric vehicle adoption curve with a 60% year-on-year growth. Our proposition is attractive for retailers because it offers huge savings over the lifetime of the product. Whilst the upfront cost is higher, the operational costs are a fraction of those for diesel units and provide a significant saving for the user. The UK supermarket in this case study saves £11 million over 5 years. The high replacement rate of units provides Sunswap with an opportunity for repeat high-value orders, generating significant revenue year on year. Our main competitors are Thermo King and Carrier, who occupy approximately 80% of the market today. Diesel units are becoming increasingly expensive to run due to changing regulations. We provide fleet operators with the clean and cost-competitive TRU that they are searching for. Before founding Sunswap, my co-founders and I worked together at Dearman developing cryogenic TRUs. The team deployed these TRUs with major UK and global retailers, including Unilever, Sainsbury's, and Marks & Spencer. We are now in the process of building an advisory board to support Sunswap's commercial and technical development. Sunswap is moving quickly. After being founded at the beginning of this year, we received our pre-seed funding from Sustainable Ventures in March. In the 6 months following, we filed our first patent, commissioned our working prototype, and began 2 Innovate UK grant-funded projects. This funding round will allow Sunswap to continue at speed by growing the team, building the next generation product, and securing our first sale by the end of 2021. We will also file further patents within the next year. Ahead of marketing and PR activities, we have gained considerable customer traction. We've won 2 grants partnering with Cenex and Imperial, and these projects will provide us with direct access to large customers such as Sainsbury's, who have recently announced a £1 billion fund to reach net zero by 2040. Outside of our grant projects, we have been in various stages of the sales process for supermarkets, including site visits, requirements capture, and ongoing proposals. The customers we've been in discussion with account for 70% of the UK grocery market. Our business model is to sell our TRU directly to supermarkets and other fleet operators. We also offer our customers a battery as a service model, providing us with recurring revenue between sales. As we grow, the product offering will become more mature and open up further revenue streams to Sunswap. With TRU sales only, we expect to see our first revenues in 2021 and sales growing year on year until we reach net profit in 2024 and revenues of £40 million the year after. Our smart TRU directly addresses at least 4 sustainable development goals by improving air quality in cities, reducing the reliance on diesel, and by displacing CO2 emissions. Sunswap are now raising £350,000 worth of EIS-eligible funding to file two additional patents, support Innovate UK projects, and secure our first customer contract. Thank you for listening, and I'll now welcome any questions.
Are the Sunswap units a standard size, or is a range available?
So the TRU package is a standard, so it can actually be retrofitted in place of a diesel. We do have variable sizes on our battery. A key point to mention is that the wide range of energy requirements from customer to customer, which is where our core technology comes in. That's the adaptive battery capacity. So we have one product, but we're able to adapt the battery capacity to suit the customer's needs. So yeah, it's one product. We're targeting the trailer market, but we're able to adapt that product to meet the bespoke customer needs.
And just time for another quick question from this one from Jonathan Tudor. How does Sunswap keep the panels clean during winter sludge that's on the road?
Yeah, that's a good question. You know, it goes without saying that there is inevitable is that these panels will be subject to dirt and other, contaminants that are on the road. What is important to mention that the supermarkets and retailers keep their trailers clean anyway all the time, because they often have marketing on the side of their trailers. So it's very common to see cleaning stations at depots, and it's just an additional, operation in that cleaning process. So yeah, we don't see that as a huge issue to our solar panel efficiency.
Okay, thanks a lot, Michael. There's many, many more questions coming in, and of course these will be relayed to you for answer later on. Thanks a lot.
Brilliant. Thanks, John.